And what I normally calculate first, instead of putting this all in the thing twice, and by the way, in case you're wondering where the plus or minus button is, there isn't one, and we have to do it twice. Calculate this part first, and let's see if this makes sense. That's how much I think I'm off by. Does that make sense? I think it's this. That's the sample we got. Give or take that. So that we call that the error. This part of it is called the error. That's the part that I normally say you want to calculate first. Some of the actual problems in the book ask you to figure out the error. Might as well do that. So what do you got? 492.8. Give or take. What do you guys get for this whole thing here? 7.17. And this one's a little bit interesting. You always want your error. I appreciate your saying that. I don't know if that was an intuitive thing. You always want your error to be one more decimal than this guy, at least. That was neat. That's good. Unless I don't think it came out to be exactly that, right?
It was 7.169.
Ah, I love it. Kick ass. Let me stop for a second. Does everybody see the parts that go into this? I do want you to know the formula comes from something we've done before. I almost always have to tell you, I have to tell you the end. I have to. I have to at least give you a way to figure this out. So I could give you a list of data. I could have given you a list of 87 data points, and then you would have plugged in the calculator to figure out what X bar was. You with me? But I have to give you a way to figure out that. You have to know this. I have to give you this. Section 8.2 will actually use S, which you would get from one of our stats. Right? Possibly, unless I just give it to you. And so the only thing I normally have to really kind of figure out would be the Z-score from the confidence that I want. Once I got all those, it's just plug and chug. Right? Has anybody heard that phrase before? I remember one semester a while back, somebody's like, "What are you saying?" Deeply offended. I'm like, shut up, plug and chug. You plug the stuff in and you chug out the answers. Nothing beyond that. Just make sure everybody's with me. That was an interesting day. So what do you get when you subtract this from this?
485.16.
That?
499.97.
Okay, coolness. All right, here comes what I'm going to predict will be your favorite part. Right? Which, when I say that, it's going to suck. You must write a theme. No, you must write your conclusion. You have to write a conclusion. The hell? How do you interpret this insane thing? We are how confident in our interval? We are 98% confident. We are farmers. No, we are 98% confident that our interval, blah, 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 does what? Who remembers what I had up here earlier?
Captures the true mean.
Captures the true population mean. The true mean, if you just say true mean, that's beautiful. That's what I'm going to say. But when I say true, I mean the population mean. So we are 98% confident that the interval, holy crap, Jeff. That's English. That the interval 485.63 to 499.97 captures? Sure. Captures or contains. You can say captures, you can say contains. You can look up a thesaurus and go to town. The true mean of the population. Now, real quick, since I wasn't very creative in this problem, there's a couple things you gotta be careful about. You have to give me units. I didn't really give us units on this, but if it was feet, if it was dogs, if it was hop length of frogs, I like how that rhymed. I'm a poet and didn't realize it. Oh, shit. You have to give me units, and you have to explain down here, which is the true mean what? So I didn't really give you that situation. True mean hop length of frogs, or whatever it is. Do you see what I'm saying? You have to make it actually talk about what the problem is talking about. It's crazy.
Yay.
All right. Let me give you this. I know this is a shock, but I have a handout. Hopefully I have enough of them. I just want you to do, you only have to do 1A right now. All right, I just want to shut up for a little while. Do the side that says section 8183. You should be doing a problem about heights of men. Very lame follow-up to the city of men. Heights of men.